In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front lower torque strut engine mount on this Volvo S60. This is going to be located underneath the vehicle in the front of the engine. Let's get into it. If your vehicle has a shield under here, you want to take it off. This vehicle does not. Now, using a 18mm socket, take these two nuts off. Using a 13mm socket, take these two bolts out. And take the torque strut mount out. And take the new one, get the nuts started. And get the bolts. It's recommended that you replace these bolts. Snug those down, snug down the nuts. Torque these bolts to 25 foot-pounds. And then an additional 40 degrees. If you don't have a torque angle meter, do the best you can. The nuts, we're going to torque these to 48 foot-pounds and then an additional 60 degrees. There you go. If your vehicle has that cover, you want to reinstall that.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.